Hey everybody, in today's video I'll be looking at a Star Wars Legion box set, Fantasy Flight Games, and in this set you get one playbook, 107 markers, 33 plastic stands, 35 upgrade cards, 14 command cards, and 12 battle cards, 33 miniatures. The models here are looking really good just in the plastic. I can't wait to put them together and paint them. 8 barricades, 15 dice, and it all fits nicely in the box. And now a close-up on the models. Looking here at Darth Vader, he looks pretty good and highly detailed. Taking a look at the Stormtroopers now, they look really good, highly detailed. Closer look at Vader now. Rebel Troopers looking pretty good, and here's Luke Skywalker up close. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed the Star Wars Legion unboxing. This was my first time ever seeing one of these, and I'm really excited that I got it. I do recommend this if you're a big Star Wars fan. If you're not totally into Star Wars, then you could potentially look into it, but if you're into tabletop, like Warhammer or anything else, then I definitely recommend this because of the models, the ability to paint and collect. You don't have to play it, but if you do want to play, it looks like a fantastic play, and you get a nice starter set of 2 armies of Empire and the Rebellion, and I think that's awesome. An awesome way to start. Unfortunately, no paints, but that's okay. If you're already into Warhammer, like I said earlier, then you probably already have your own paints, so it doesn't really matter. For somebody who's just getting into tabletop and they pick this up and there's no paints or brushes, then it might be a little bit of a bummer, but that's okay. As you can just collect, you can play while they're gray. The paint's only there just to make them look fancy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on when I release a new video. Catch you next time.